Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. I'm Lisa Marie, your friend providing beauty tips in an approachable way to help you achieve your own beauty goals inside and out. No filters needed. For this week's video, I'm going to show you how to achieve this soft, romantic, pink, monochromatic makeup look just in time for Valentine's Day. This year, I decided to go for a more pink look than what I would probably do for Valentine's Day, which is like a winged liner with a red lip. Wanted to switch it up this year. So if you want to see how I achieve this look and get some inspiration for your own Valentine's Day look, please keep on watching. So for this Valentine's Day look, I decided to go very monochromatic and really lean into pink colors. And so to achieve that, I'm going to be using Persona Cosmetics Color Theory Eye Kit in, what do you know, pink. This is a really cute kit. I did a tutorial on their copper kit if you want to check that out as well. These kits are so nice. I hope they come out with more because they not only come with a palette. This is what the pink one looks like. And it's very monochromatic and very complementary colors. I'm going to be using all of these colors today. The palette also comes with a mirror, which is great. So that is of course included in the eye kit. But not only that, you get a eyeliner, and this is in the color Plum. All of these colors in these kits are very complementary to each other. And then you also get a fantastic brush. This is a great multitasking brush, so I'll be using that clearly today as well. To start this look, I'm going to set my entire eyelid. I'm going to take the lightest shade of the palette, and this is called Blush. For my transition shade, I'm going to take this taupey color right here, and it's actually called Taupe Pink, and run that across my crease. To deepen the crease further, I'm going to take the middle shade, and it is simply called Pink. And I'm going to take that Persona brush and really get into the crease with this color. So I know this type of palette can be intimidating for some people who aren't used to pops of color in their makeup looks, but we're going for a really soft romantic pink look here, obviously, and so you want to keep that in mind through your application. You know, lightly tap on the shade and buff it out ever so softly just so you don't get too crazy with the color, and I think you'll find that this palette is very easy to use in that way. Just as you thought we were done with the pinks, we're going even deeper, and this is magenta, and I'm going to concentrate that on the outer corner of the eye, still using that Persona brush. I'm going to tap very lightly into this color because I don't want too much of it. What I love about this brush is that you can get very precise of where you want to deposit color and then also blend it out in the same brush. Okay, so we've used pretty much the pink tones in this palette. I do want to keep this inner corner kind of blank because we're going to lay something on top of that, and to make sure that it is, you know, pretty clean, I'm going to go back in with blush and just lay that on the lid area. So as you probably noticed, there's really no like shimmer shade as part of this palette. So I'm actually going to take another product and add some shimmer. I just think shimmers just are really pretty, and especially for like this softer romantic look, I feel like it's a necessity. So I'm actually going to take this product from Milk Cosmetics. It is one of their digital dust highlights, and it looks like this. This is in the color Pink Moon. So it's this really pretty pink shade, and I'm just going to dip my pinky in that and lay that on my lid. I think it's just such a pretty shade, and it really illuminates that area of the inner corner. I just think it's really pretty. I think it's a nice touch to this. Of course, you know, if you just want to use the pink kit without any shimmer, you could do that. I just am a fan of shimmers, so I just feel like I always need a shimmer in there. So moving on, I'm going to use the liner that was part of the kit. This is in Plum, and do my favorite technique now, I feel like, ever since I did it for my holiday video, a kind of smudged out liner, as you can see here. So we start out by sketching with the pencil, and then I'm going to take the last color that we haven't used yet in this palette, and it's called Burgundy. I'm going to take a flat shader brush and smudge out the liner. You can also use an angled brush for this as well to get that precision. So for the under eye, I'm going to lightly dip between taupe pink and pink. I don't want to get too much pink on the under eye. I'm going to lightly sweep this. So to brighten up this look a little bit more, I'm going to be adding a liner, my waterline. This one is from ColourPop. It's their cream gel liner in the color Honey Dude. Brianna, who had commented on one of my previous videos, I actually think it was for a video where I used the copper kit from Persona. She suggested that I incorporate a sort of like champagne liner in my looks to kind of brighten up the eyes even more. And I definitely do that from time to time. I told her in the comments that I don't do it as much as I should. It's just that extra step, but it does elevate your look a lot. So I decided to use it for this tutorial. So shout out to Brianna. And we're just gonna add this to the waterline. I'm gonna do my mascara and the rest of my face off camera, and we'll come back and finish with blush and lips. And I'm back. If you've been watching me for a while, my bronzer, my contour, and my highlighter routine hasn't changed one bit. I really like those products. If you want to know what I used, you can look at all of my previous videos, but I did want to use a different blush for today's look. This one is from Kylie Cosmetics. This was from one of her holiday collections, and it's called Winter Kiss. It's still available, you just won't get it in like this holiday packaging, but that doesn't matter. So I really like this color because, just as the name suggests, it gives you that winter kissed look. And where I live, it'll definitely be cold for Valentine's Day. So it gives you that kind of like, I just came from the cold, like winter kissed look, I guess. It seriously describes itself. So I think it's really pretty. So to use it for today's look. So I hope you can see the color. I definitely can in person. I think it's really cute and goes well with this pink monochromatic look that we're doing for Valentine's Day. I feel like Kylie's blushes are really subtle, so it's really hard to kind of mess it up or put too much on. So to finish up this look, we're gonna do lips, and Persona Cosmetics has some really great pink shades as part of their lip collection. Today I'm going to be using their liquid matte in Flamingo and their gloss in pink. I'm going to start with the liquid matte. All right, and then we're going to top it off with gloss in the color pink. This is such a pretty lip combo, and I think it complements everything else we got going on. All right, guys, that's the final look. What do you think of this monochromatic pink look for Valentine's Day? Comment below with what you think and how you're going to celebrate Valentine's Day. I'd love to hear what you guys got going on. I know that when this time of year comes around, you know, as a single person, it kind of feels a little bit lonely, but I just want to remind you that Valentine's Day should be celebrating every type of love, and it doesn't have to just be your significant other. It can be your family, your friends, your pets, and even with yourself. So put on that dress, put on your favorite outfit, do this makeup look, take yourself out to dinner, on a date, do whatever you want, so that you feel celebrated in all of the love that you have in your life. I feel like that is a great way to spend Valentine's Day. I hope you enjoyed this week's video. If you did, please give me that thumbs up. And if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel and click that notification bell if you want to be notified of all my future videos. Until the next one, remember, makeup should be fun because you're already beautiful. Have a great week. Bye.